It's been a while since we made a video together. Hi, I'm Bill,
Hi, I'm Lori.
and we'd like to welcome you to Red Rock Canyon State Park in California, outside Cantil, California. We're on our way to Zion to meet up with some friends, and this was our first stop along the way. I've been here before to do my astrophotography with a couple of my friends, and this is the first time for Lori. So we just wanted to share a little bit about Red Rock Canyon State Park. And Lori, what are your first impressions?
Oh, even though it's somewhat desolate, it is the most beautiful. The views are just spectacular. It's just, just awe-inspiring. It's just, I really love it here. So peaceful, and it's so beautiful.
And this might be a park for smaller RVs. I don't know if there's a size limitation here. Most of what we see here and when I've been here before are smaller RVs under 35 feet typically, and then tent campers, a lot of tent campers, popular spot. The outhouses here are pit toilets, but they do have some water and some like a drinking fountain here. And what you see behind us, those cliffs, that's volcanic ash, in some spots up to 7,000 feet high. A little bit further down, I'll put an image in, but it's just amazing. This area of California and going up, if we go up further, up 14, it turns into 395, and that takes us up to towards Bishop, California, Owens Valley, Mammoth. A lot of volcanic history along 395, and you'll see lava flows, you'll see all kinds of stuff. But you know, if you're just looking for a night to stop, definitely I would recommend this place. It's first come, first serve. Basically, the process we followed, this time when I came, we got here after 5 o'clock, so the office was not open. I don't know if it's normally open in the daytime. Last time I was here, it was open in the daytime. And so you just fill out an envelope, $25 a night, and you drop it in a box. And so, yeah, beautiful place. But we're going to head out of here tonight, or today rather, and we're going to head up into Death Valley, Searless Valley, I think. I probably say that name incorrectly. Up past Trona, where the pinnacles are, working our way up to Stovepipe Wells for today. Our next stop is going to be also a Red Rock. It's going to be a Red Rock National Conservation Area outside of Las Vegas. So that'll be our second stop. And when you see red rock like this, and there are areas here with red rock, that's where the iron in the rocks has been oxidized, and that's what brings out kind of the reddish and the orange color. So if you're into geology and into volcanism, the study of volcanoes and everything, this area here is a great area. So I don't know, I think we just want to do a short one. Hopefully we put some pictures in. The bathrooms are clean, even though they are pit toilets.
Very clean, very clean. I was really surprised how clean they were.
Yeah, and it's just a very picturesque type of spot if you're into high desert environments. And
there are some warning signs, though, of make sure that you're well hydrated and you have protection from the sun on some of the hiking trails around here.
Yeah, today is the 16th. It's our anniversary kiss. And for some reason, it seems every time our anniversary comes around, we're out camping somewhere. But when we got in here yesterday, so 16th of October today, it was about 84 degrees around 5 p.m. not too bad, and it cooled down to 60 degrees at night, which was just really pleasant. So, all right, if you like this kind of content, what do we say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, give it a thumbs up as always, and we'll see you on our next stop. Thanks for dropping into the channel.
Bye.